Many people, including myself, have different passive incomes, making them money automatically every day. The secret behind this is the fact that we put lots of efforts into some online methods during the first few days, but now the results are coming in non-stop automatically. In this video, I will be showing you one of the most powerful methods to use in order to be able to make a full passive income from two websites combined together. I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing passive income stream, so make sure to pay attention to every second of the video, because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. Like most of the videos that I upload on this channel, this method is 100% free, and you won't be needing any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making money with this method. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. This method works worldwide, so no matter where you are watching from, you will be eligible to use this strategy to generate an income online. But before we start the tutorial, let's see if we can get this video to 500 likes. Now let's get into it. First, we're going to be heading to this website called Microworkers.com. Do not worry, we will not be doing any tasks on this website because they will clearly be time consuming. And what's special about today's method is the fact that it does not require much effort. And I guarantee that this approach would be passive. You can put it on complete autopilot and I'll show you exactly how. So welcome to Microworkers.com. It is essentially a cutting-edge international online network that links employers and job seekers. Employees from all over the world visit this website on a daily basis to complete various simple tasks that last about a minute or so. But the thing is, certain activities pay only a couple of cents, often up to $1. And despite this, hundreds of thousands of people continue to work here because they need additional funds. And like I said before, we will not be the ones doing these tasks, otherwise this method won't be so passive, right? So first and foremost, you can register with Microworkers.com. Go to the website and click on register, which will take you to the registration page. You must enter your first name and optionally your middle name if you want, your last name, your business if you have one, or just leave it empty if you don't have a business. Enter your birth date, your email address, and a password that is exclusive to you. Include your address, your zip code, country, state or area, and country of residence, all of your basic personal details. You will now pick what you want from these options and click submit, and your account will be created. You'll then need to check your email address because they'll be sending you a verification email like this one. And all you have to do is click this link right here and you'll be there in no time. After you've finished signing up, you'll be able to access your account. This is what your account would look like after you've signed in. You'll find various work categories right here. And as you can see, these are the only positions that are currently open for your country. For example, if you go on social media, you'll see that people are paying other people simply by following, commenting, and sharing their posts and pages on various social media platforms. They'll be paid 10 to 15 cents for doing it. And many people are doing it. This is the case. You can see that a lot of people have done this over and over again. People are doing this even if it's just 10 cents because it only takes them a couple of minutes. It only takes a few seconds to follow, comment, and share, and it's completely free for them. So the jobs that will be available are dependent on which country you're from. But do not worry because you won't be doing any jobs yourself. I need to repeat myself so you do not lose focus of the fact that this method is a passive method. It's a passive income and you don't need to make any efforts. So the country you live in makes no difference to us because once again, we are not doing any tasks. I just wanted to show you what people are doing on this website and how many people are using it. On another note, people visit this website on a daily basis to recruit others to complete tasks for them. And as you've noticed, they pay them at various rates ranging from 10 to 15 cents. But here's the thing. If you head over to the sign up category right here, you'll see that people are paying 8 to 24 cents for signing up to various websites. So on average, you will pay someone 10 cents to sign up for a website. I'll show you what those websites are. They'll probably pay you more than $1 per sign up that you bring to them. If you think about it, you could recruit someone from the first website to do it for you for 10 cents. and you can make $1 off of that person if you send them to the offer that I'm going to show you. And as you can see, hundreds of people are performing these basic tasks. If you do the math, that's a tenfold increase in profit without having to raise a finger. I know it will sound a little overwhelming right now, but just bear with me because I will explain everything that you need to do. I will show you precisely how to set it up and what to do in order to maximize your earnings. So just pay close attention to the steps that I will be following. So now that you've signed up and logged in, click on Create TTV Campaign. And that will take you to this tab where you can post your own jobs and choose how many people can do so on your behalf. To do so, press the Start a New Basic Campaign button. You will now select a region, which is very necessary. You can go global by hiring people from all over the world. You can also pick only citizens from the United States if you prefer, or you may choose people from the United Kingdom. Perhaps you want to hire people from India or the Philippines. It's all up to you. And this is what makes this website so unique because there are no boundaries and there are so many people from all over the world. There are people all over the world who are able to complete the tasks for you, and it just takes them a few minutes. You will spend a few seconds for signing up for that particular website and then you'll pay them 10 cents, but in exchange you make a lot more money than that 10 cents. It's very clever and you will enjoy it for sure. Now we'll choose a country. For this tutorial's sake, I'll just go with international. Next, we'll scroll down a little and choose offer or sign up from the drop-down menu. Choose a category for your campaign and then press the opt-in button. And we simply want them to sign up. You'll understand what I mean in a second. It says here that this task will take them 10 minutes. Make sure to change that to 1 minute to attract more people. Then we change the feedback for open vacancies, and obviously you'll start making a lot of money. Let's say 1,000 people are needed to complete the job. Following that, you will specify how much the worker will be paid for this job. It is entirely up to you. The price you want to pay people per sign up is definitely up to you. For me, I will pay 10 cents because that's what everybody else is doing. However, if you want to make money quicker, you can increase the pay, but make sure it's well below what you will be earning. After that, we simply need to keep this page open for the time being. Now next, I'm going to be showing you the website that will be paying us for bringing the people to their platform, and I'll show you how much each one of those websites pay us. But before we do that, I'd like to remind you that we have a lot of videos on our channel on how to make money online. The goal of EarnPal is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it, guys, if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to leave us a like and comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The next website that we need to visit is affplus.com. That's AFFplus.com. This website is a global cost per action network, or you can call it CPA like most people do. And anyone from anywhere in the world can join them. Visitors from all over the world will come to this website to receive various CPA deals and to be compensated for their efforts for referring people to their specific CPA offers. The idea is straightforward. People click on a link to sign up for a particular website, and as a result, they must type in their name, last name, email address, etc., and they'll sign up without paying anything. But on the other hand, you'll be making a certain amount of money with each person sign up. I'm guessing you now have a clear idea of how this works, but do not stop watching the video just yet because there's one more crucial thing that you need to know in order for this method to fully work. So to continue, go to affplus.com and type survey into the search bar. It will provide you with a list of all the survey websites where you can refer people and sign up for free. They just need to sign up and you will profit from that. For example, this website pays you this much, while the other website pays you this much. So if you select one, you can pay the workers 10 cents and receive the remaining. As you can see, there are other websites that will cost far more. Anyways, just to be safe, let's concentrate on this one. But keep in mind that you can receive more than $1 for each sign up. To begin, go to the website's page by clicking on the preview button. You can even get a preview, but you're going to be redirecting people to a page that looks like this. They just need to enter their first name, last name, email address, zip code, etc. Then simply press the start button. You'll get paid when they sign up, and they'll get paid 10 cents in exchange. It's a win-win situation for everybody. As simple as that. You're making money as a middleman that's bringing traffic to these CPA offers, which is genius if you ask me. Once you set up this campaign, you will be able to make money online while doing nothing. Everything will be running on autopilot. Next, you must click on Join Network. You can enter the network and receive your one-of-a-kind access to the survey website. Then return to microworkers.com and pick your preferred available positions. To complete the mission, you can begin with $100 or even a minimum of $30. And to measure the net profit that you're going to be making, if you're making, let's say, $0.7 from every dollar gained from the CPA website, simply multiply 30 by 0.7 and that means you will be getting $21 in revenue. And this is all done on autopilot. The more open positions you have for your microworkers offer, the more money you will get. And as promised, here is the bonus tip you need to know in order to not get in trouble with the CPA offers. Obviously, these CPA networks would be dissatisfied if you simply send those inactive signups to their website. They're paying you $0.8 because they want you to find people who can actually respond to their questions and fully complete the surveys. Add a notice to the instructions section informing employees that they must also complete at least one survey on that website after signing up. By conducting a survey on that page, not only the workers are earning 10 cents, but you'll also not get banned because you're sending active people who are completing the surveys. And finally, if you want to earn even more money, consider using different money-making methods, so check out the videos on our channel. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel. Do not forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.